more people from the audience. This is called sound effects. Now these two gentlemen are going to perform a scene for you in a world that doesn't have sound. So Tommy, Joe, could you please clap your hands right now? Nothing. What we need from you is we need two people to come up and actually make the sound effects for their world. So who would like to come up and help us out? Once again, not a raffle. Get excited.
It's fun.
All right, Sarah. You know her by name. She knows her a lot.
Oh, sure.
And you.
Are you gonna
Yes! Yes! You have been saying the best all night. What was the one about the dead friend?
You'd think killing people would make them like you, but it doesn't. It just makes them dead.
Fantastic. I love it. I want that on my gravestone. So you're going to be making all the. I'm sorry. We have Sarah and what's your name?
Tara.
Tara.
It's funny because we rhyme.
Oh, great. We've got ourselves an improver. So let's get a round of applause for Sarah and Tara. Now, Tara, you're going to be taking care of all the sound effects for Tommy. So anything he tries to do or reference, you're going to make those noises. Or you could just make any noise you'd like. Just throw them out there, even if it doesn't fit. And Sarah, you're going to make all the noises for Joe. Now, what we need right now is, what is the most horrid thing that a father and son could be doing together? And let's not go with sex. It's like, oh, really? No! That's a real commonplace upstate, dude. Hey.
Euthanizing a horse.
Sarah paneling can be an activity, but what was that?
Euthanizing a horse.
Oh my God, it's like Christmas. Where's my placenta? All right, so you two are father and son, and you're teaching your kid how to euthanize a horse. To euthanize a horse means to shoot it. It's a really nice way of putting something out of its misery. Don't cry. Just make it happen.
God.
All right, guys, go.
Daddy, do I get to ride Rocket today?
Billy, I have something to tell you. Rocket's gonna have to go to a better place.
He's going to Disney World.
No, Rocket's not going to Disney World. I must have double cocked it. Let me try that again. There we go. It's a quiet little shotgun. It's a mini one, but no, Rocket has to die today, son.
What?
Rocket the horse, we're going to shoot him.
But no.
Yes, we are. We are going to go out back right now, and you're going to help.
But me and Rocket just made this CD together. We danced all day yesterday.
Son, there's something wrong with you. We'll deal with that later. Now, grab your gun. You know, the one I got you for your birthday. What is that? Nothing at all. All right, now cock it. The gun. Okay. Now, I was thinking, you like Rocket, right?
I love Rocket.
Okay, that's good. So I think we should get a little bit up close and personal. So I've got this chainsaw.
Vroom, vroom.
I'm sorry, that's just my little toy car. Here's my chainsaw.
Bigger vroom?
12 horsepower. Oh. Well, come on, let's go. We're gonna go. Now, you see Rocket over there? Doesn't he look so happy?
He does.
Now shoot him. Shoot the horse.
Wait.
That gun's not gonna cut it. You're gonna need a bigger one.
Do we have bigger
Hold on.
guns?
Oh, son, we always have bigger guns. You see, don't tell your mom, but I got a bazooka. Special occasions call for it. Let's test it out. Boom.
Can I try?
I misfired. out to your mama.
I just hit the Stenson's barn.
They're gonna be pissed.
I think we should put this away. I don't no rockets.
No.
Take it.
Lightsabers. Batteries on these things suck.
Mine works. Did you just want mine?
Yeah, I'm gonna just borrow yours.
Are you hitting the right button?
I'm hitting the right button, Billy. Just give Dad a second, okay?
There's one on the bottom.
It takes a while.
If you watch those movies with me.
Lightsaber noise.
Billy, is that the toy lightsaber that says lightsaber noise every time you turn it on? We need a real lightsaber, Billy.
Okay.
Come on. There you go. All right, now, well, just go. Can't do it. Nope. Yes, use the force. Wait. I'm just kidding. Come.
I love you, Billy. That's me.
Another round of applause for Sarah.
That was the quietest step ever.
Sarah, you were gone.